I've been learning because I never do this one before. So,
Hey humans, I'm Abraxan Evelyn, the Beautiful Chick. Welcome to my channel. Today, on the Beautiful Chick, I am honored to be creating this lovely smoothie. You hear? Guess who I have today? Oh my goodness, I'm excited. Can you guess already? Can you guess? So I have Chef Ricardo. Chef Ricardo in the building.
it was nice seeing you.
It is nice seeing you, Chef Ricardo. So guys, oh my goodness.
Wow.
I met the amazing healthy chef Ricardo. Today we will be making smoothies.
Yes.
In the smoothies, we have cucumbers, we have pineapples. What else do we have?
And ginger and some lemon. It's going to be an amazing one, guys. So, yeah.
We'll see. So Chef Ricardo is gonna spring his up, and you know me, I'm the twig lady. I'm gonna twist mine. So let's do this.
We're going to do this one together, guys. So it's going to be an amazing one.
You heard so. So we started up by cleaning the fruits that we'll be using, and I must add, guys, Chef Ricardo is very, very neat and tidy. As we were working, he was tidying up. That was really, really good to see. All right, let's do this.
Okay, guys. So basically, as you can see, I got medium-sized cucumber, and I have some ginger and also pineapple right over here. So it's going to be exciting. I'm going to be making an amazing recipe, something totally different, guys, for you guys to, you know, be detoxing the tummy and looking very nice and beautiful skin, beautiful complexion. You know the thing going, Chef Ricardo in the kitchen. Greetings. All right. So today I'm going to be making a fantastic smoothie. I named the ingredients again. We got ginger, which is, you know me, I love fresh ginger, guys, as you can see. I love my ginger. We got cucumber, which is very good for the skin, keep it looking good and healthy and beautiful. We got pineapple, which is going to be detoxing the body, and also some lemon juice. If I get my blender, alright, what I'm going to do, I'm already washed off my cucumber. So basically, cutting some cucumber is very nice. You can remove the skin, and also you can, you know what I mean, have the skin as, you know what I mean, naturally skin is very good for you. So what we're going to do, I'm going to be using roughly about half of my cucumber to make this beautiful smoothie. So let's cut up some cucumber, guys. I'm good to go, man. Just give it close. Are you ready?
Yeah. So I'll be using half the rest of the cucumbers, and
I'm going to be
he's
using...
blending.
Alright, so as you can see, this is the blender we have ready. So do you want to put in the cucumber and everything inside of it? Now, that's, you know what I mean, that's okay for you.
Oh, it's an honor.
Yeah, you know what I mean, and also a little piece of ginger.
One.
Yeah, that's a little piece of ginger. Just put it straight inside of it.
Okay.
Yeah, nice, lovely. We got some pineapple.
So how many?
Roughly about 3 pieces of pineapple. Very good to go inside of it. And squeeze roughly about half of a lemon inside of it. So that's going to be an amazing one. This looks like fresh.
Yeah, that would be my twist.
Oh,
I'll add
you
that
can trick
to
it.
mine.
Yeah, this is what it's doing, guys. Tricking Chef Ricardo. You know. Don't do that to that beautiful chicken. You know what I mean, you can't do that
Because, oh my goodness, coriander. Oh, the
That's
combination of coriander in all of this
No, I love coriander.
is amazing.
But I'm gonna tell you something. I love coriander.
You do? I do
I use
too.
coriander.
One of my best fresh herb, honestly. Oh my goodness.
Wow. All right. So, what you want to do? You're gonna use water.
Water, yeah.
Oh, beautiful. So let's get some water. Then go ahead.
So, we're adding water. How much water do you want? Is that good?
Put a little bit more. That's it. Wow, that's amazing.
Okay.
Yeah. So guys, what we're gonna do now? We're going to get our blending taking place. So excited moment, guys. If we do this together. Are you hiding from the camera? What's going on?
No, I'm not.
All right, listen. You want to do the blending? Eh? Come on, man. Let's. All right. So. Wow, you see that, guys? Finally, it's smoothie. That means yeah, in the kitchen, guys. It's smoothie time.
It's smoothie time. A smoothie time for myself and Chef Ricardo. It's fun time.
All right, no, guys. I want to say something to you guys. All right, on my YouTube channel right now. Beautiful Chick is a big, massive follower of Chef Ricardo for a very long time. Okay, and we're not gonna keep it short and spicy. And you are traveling around the world. I know you are in.
Yes, we're with Chef Ricardo.
Okay, guys. Anyway, so basically, you want me to open it for you?
Yes, please.
Okay. All right, nice one. So we're gonna open up it. Let's put that one side. Beautiful. Let's put those water one side. And then if you come on, right here.
Okay.
All right. So we just get this one right here.
So this is Chef Ricardo's mix.
Okay. All right. You want to try that one?
Okay, let me try Chef Ricardo's.
Okay. Let's see what's going on right here. If anything, hold on the first.
Oh my goodness.
Very nice and
Oh
delicious.
my goodness.
Yeah, they're very nice and delicious. There's something really nice in it, isn't it? The whole flavor, the texture, the ginger.
So good.
Very good for the skin and very good for detoxing the body.
So, we're quickly going to jump into
Part 2.
part 2. So let's put this aside and get the top.
Right. One more.
So behind the scene, we have people. We have invincible people.
Very special celebrities.
Invincible people. So now I'm making my own. And if you have been following me, you know that I said green smoothies are not yucky. But then there's a trick to go around making them really nice.
I believe that one. I believe so.
So my one, I'm adding coriander because it's a detox smoothie.
Wow.
Detox smoothie.
Yep.
And if you want to detox, just add cucumber and coriander and your tummy is gonna love you. Your tummy is gonna love you.
You hear that, guys? Basically,
Yes. Your tummy
I'm
is gonna love you.
I'm learning. I never do that one before, so
Yeah.
I'm excited to taste that one.
I'm excited. Chef Ricardo said he's learning from me. Wow.
And I'm a smoothie person.
Another trick, if you do not like green smoothies and you think they're yucky, just add you some pineapple.
Wow. Okay,
That's
excited.
the trick.
Nice one.
If you add pineapples, it's easy to go down your throat, and then it does you amazing on your skin. So, Chef Ricardo added 3 strips. I'm adding 4. Yay! I am that healthy chick that also likes sweet, but with the sweet, we are gonna be using healthy stuff still. No sugar, but it is delicious. To this, I wish I'll be adding coconut water because of the electrolytes that it will give to us. But hey, we'll make do with water. Let's bring that to the equation. And there you go. So let's blend this. No. Of course, I'll be adding lemon. A detox with lemon just takes it from 0 to hero. 0 to hero. Oh my goodness. I am just super excited, guys. I am cooking with Chef Ricardo. And he has a book. Look, guys. He has a book. Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipe to Success. I got his book. Chef Ricardo is amazing. He's been through life. This is not a recipe book, but it's a recipe to success. Yeah. Most times, you know, recipes to success have stories. You go through trying times, and God just smiles on you. I bet you God smiles better than I do. Alright guys, enough said. Let's make this smoothie. So I am adding my lemon. And we are gonna blend away. Chef Ricardo, I think I need your help. Look at that. Look at that. It looks beautiful. You should take a picture.
Yeah, so guys, we're going to blend up this an amazing smoothie. What makes it different in the smoothie is the coriander. Look at this. Yes! So we blend and we stop, give it a break.
Time to have a taste.
Wow. So this is good for what? The tummy?
Yes, it is.
Oh yeah. All right.
I call it a tummy blaster.
All right. That sounds really good. I'm interested. So.
It's a detox smoothie.
Okay. All right. Now let's pour out some for you first, and you go off this one, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go also. Hold on. Cheers.
Oh my God! It smells so good.
Oh yeah. Perfect.
It
Now,
does smell really good. Guys.
Coriander. I love my coriander.
Okay, try it.
I'm gonna say something to you guys. I've been learning because I never do this one before. So basically, we may have to do a challenge. 1 week coriander with cucumber and pineapple. And it's amazing. It tastes so delicious. Honestly, it's beautiful, and I love my coriander and I love my cucumber.
Did you hear that? He's learning too. So
Amazing.
thank you so much for watching, and it would be nice if you like this video. Leave me a comment, or you could do too. Let me know what you thought about this recipe, and you wanna consider subscribing. Go check Chef Ricardo out.
Quick update.
And while you're at that,
Oops.
you may wanna grab his book.
Awesome. Very much. Thank you so much. And not only that, guys, the most important thing is support. Okay? Please support us. Alright? Support Beautiful Chick. I'll tell you something. It's an amazing to be in our present today. So,
Oh my goodness.
you know what I mean? I'm really excited. So, support. So that's the key.
So we'll say a cheers to that.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Alright.
I guess I'll see you in my next video.
Big up on yourself.
Mwah.
Big up on yourself.
Bye.